at you guys. We're finna go ahead and finna try to slide some struts on the little put. Alright, first thing you wanna do, you wanna start by removing the tie. So finna go and pop that out real quick. Alright, these are things that need to be removed. Alright. You gotta take the sway bar bolt loose. You gotta take that loose. It's a nut down here. You gotta take that off. And that's the bottom end of the strut. When we bought the struts, the only thing that came with it was this part of the strut. Not the whole assembly. This fork looking thing, that's something else. But the strut basically, the only thing that came with it. You ain't gotta take none of that off. You're gonna take this bolt out for your ABS line. So your ABS line bolt, you're gonna take your strut arm, excuse me. You're gonna take your bolt loose from the strut down here, from the little on strut fork. And you're gonna take this loose here, your sway bar link bolt. You're gonna take that loose. And then you're gonna take these 3 bolts loose from the top side, just these 3. It comes on out, so let's get it. So now what I want to do is put a little pressure on the bottom side of here. I put a jack stand under here to release some pressure off of this bolt down here. Then we're gonna lift up on it. Then we can remove the bolts. Gotta move it out the way. I'm gonna take this bolt off right here. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna take that off so we can slide this strut out. And like I said, it's 3 bolts on top for the strut. Got 1, 2, and 3. So once we take these 2 out, we get ready to take this last one out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hold the strut. That way it won't just fall and break nothing. Alright, let's get it. God damn, them damn things loud. Alright, check it. Alright, strut down. Now what we want to do is take the 10 millimeter bolt out, and then we'll be able to move this wire over or move it somewhere so we can slide the strut out. This the new strut, came with new bolts for the top side. Now when you installing this thing, make sure you have this right here facing towards you. That right there is kind of like a groove for that arm to lock in. So make sure you got that right there facing. Let's get it. That's all done. I did shoot a little black spray paint in there to try to clean it up a little. I just do that anytime I take a towel off, just go on shoot a little bit of that black in there, man. But all done, new strut in. Let's see how she ride. All right, guys, so far so good. We're on the road ride, steering wheel going straight. Ain't no more hit a bumper, ain't no more of that crazy ass loud noise. Actually feel more comfortable too. All right, guys, I'm gonna call that a day. I'm gonna call that a fucking day. Riding good, dude. I'm trying real good. You have it. No one out the way. You already know what it is. Alright. So don't forget to like, subscribe.
Give me a beat,
man.
Oh man, okay, alright,
Yeah. Yeah. I been that nigga, better check my throwbacks, bitch. These fuck niggas know that shit. I done got right, make a bitch wanna shoot her shot, no Kodak pink. Yeah, I ain't nothing like y'all niggas on go and get money, then show that shit. And by the end of the week, they broke they old news like a throwback pic. They do too much talking for me, I'm not impressed. They need to do some more walking, cause they kinda big in the chest. They broken, they know it, they sick and depressed. I told them don't do me like I was a pillar, I'm not to be slept on. Believe me, I'm far from a motherfucking killer, but you can get stepped on. These niggas so lame like Urkel, they look at me like I'm Stephon. I put that shit on like Teflon. She give me head, no salon. I ain't never seen $100 bill, I ain't like it, I ain't never seen a